Wide shot of giant cargo port. Close-up Bugatti logo on container. Or crane lifting container. Workers guiding container.
Now it's lifting. Alignment looks good. Clear to move. Good lift.
Container placed on ship. And ship deck full of cargo. Sunset harbor view. Ship ready to depart. Dark storm clouds over ocean. Huge waves hitting ship. Container shaking violently. Lightning strike. Crew running in panic. It's water flooding deck. Ship tilting sideways. Container sliding. Emergency alarms glowing. Broken ship hull. Container falling into sea. Big splash impact. Or ship half underwater. Debris floating. Container sinking. Ocean depth darkness. Container breaking open. Bugatti falling freely. Professional diver entering water. Diving into deep sea. Wreckage on seabed. Rusty container remains. Bugatti silhouette. Algae on car surface. Diver shocked expression. Inflatable lift balloons. Car rising slowly. Crane lifting Bugatti. Water dripping body. Even rusty car on deck. Covered vehicle. Ship returning to port. Transport truck arriving. Unloading car. Mechanics gathering.
To check the core supports. Agreed. That's a major repair. I'll log it.
Tools arranged. Restoration
This bracket
planning.
here needs reinforcement. I agree. Let's check the load specs. Exactly. The tablet has the latest data.
Foam wash on body. Pressure water spray. Free mud washing off. Close-up bubbles. Brushing wheels. It's engine cleaning. Interior vacuum. Dirty water floor. Engine removal.
Easy now. Bring it over. Got it. Steady. Okay, lower it in. Lowering now.
Rust scraping. Polishing parts. 4. Oil replacement. Wiring repair. Brake rebuild. Gearbox repair. Engine testing. First ignition. Body sanding. Primer coating. Paint booth. Black paint spray. Glossy finish. Logo placement. Rim polishing. Final detailing. Workshop doors opening. Light hitting car. Cloth removal. Headlights on. Engine revving. Road test. In Sunset Drive. Cinematic hero shot.